In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Chrome app. So if you're trying to open your Chrome app, but it is not responding or it keeps on crashing, then follow these steps. Now, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any Android smartphone. To get started, go to Settings, and you can see the Settings option is here. Open it, and then go to Apps. From here, look for the option called Manage Apps. And this will open up all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Then scroll down and look for Chrome. And my Chrome app is here. Tap on it to open. Now, what we want to do is to clear data on this Chrome. So if we go to Storage, we can see we have user data and cache. Now, one of the reasons why your Chrome app keeps on crashing or keeps on misbehaving is because of accumulation of cache data. And you need to go ahead and clear this cache data for smooth running of your mobile app. To clear the cache, we have the cache option here. Tap on it and then choose the function called clear cache. And now if you go back, your cache has been cleared and now we have 0. So from here, go ahead and restart your smartphone, then go open your app. It should work fine. Now, in case that didn't solve your problem, then take the next step. Go to Play Store and then look for your app, which is Chrome. And from here, you want to look for any update if it is available. So if there is any update available for Chrome, go ahead and click on update, and then the app will go ahead and update. Now from here, go back and try opening your app, and it should now start working fine. But in case it fails to work fine or totally refuses to respond, then you may want to go ahead and uninstall this app and then install it afresh through Play Store. So by following any of those 3 methods, you should be able to troubleshoot any issue with your Google Chrome app on your smartphone. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.